Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. EThekwini Municipality's full council approved its adjusted budget, which prioritizes key service delivery such as housing and upgrading of water and sanitation infrastructure. EThekwini Municipality City Manager Mpele held a high-level meeting with captains of industry operating in the South Durban Basin to address key infrastructure deficiencies. Mpele indicated that approximately 500 million has already been invested in infrastructure improvements within the area, and about 90% of the electrical infrastructure has been replaced, including transformers and restoration of road markings. The Johnson Wegwe Durban Open Golf Tournament held at Durban Country Club was a huge success, with South African-born Oliver Becker crowned champion. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.